Hi, welcome back to a beginner's guide to using WordPress. In this lesson, you'll learn about how to manage the users of your CMS, and you'll see what settings you can use to create various degrees of access for different users. Let's get started.
Adding and managing users can be easily done by accessing the users module. Now, at first, you're going to see a list of all the existing users. In this case, there's only one user, admin, but we can create new ones. So add new. First of all, we got to give a username. Let's say tutsplus. Email adi@tutsplus.com. First name, last name, website. These are optional. Password. Let's do 123. And I can select a role here. Subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Now, based on the role, that user will have specific permissions, so he will only be able to do certain things. Let's set the role to subscriber and hit add new user. And we have an error. This username is invalid, so I gotta get rid of this plus here, re-enter my password, add new user. Okay, so now there are two users. Let's log out and log in with the Tuts user. So as you can see, this is completely changed. I only have access to the dashboard and my profile. Because I'm a subscriber, basically I cannot edit content or add content. What I can do is change the color scheme of my backend and change some of my details. Maybe add a bio, maybe change my password, and that's about it. So let's change the color scheme here to blue. Now, let's log out. And let's change this role to contributor instead, so you can see what kind of functions he has. So update, log out again. So now, as a contributor, you have access to more options. You have access to posts, and you can add posts, and you have access to comments, and also to your profile and some tools. Now, let's log back in with the admin and see what other options we have. So, based on the roles the current users have, you're gonna have different filters here on the top. So I have users that have the administrator role, and I have users that have the contributor role, and I can filter through them or show them all. I can select an individual user and edit its details, or I can change my own by going to your profile. So in here, I have a few options. I can change the color scheme if I want. I can show the toolbar when viewing the front end, and it refers to this toolbar here. So if I uncheck this and I save and refresh, yeah, that toolbar is now gone. I can choose how to display my name. I can create contact information and maybe add a biography. So my name is Adi. So let's say this is my biography. Well, I can go to the site now and I can go to a post and I can click on the admin link or on the author link and see all the posts written by the admin. And here you can see my biography. And that's basically how you work with users. So if it's just you that are using the website, then you'll only have one user, administrator. If you're running a blog and you have multiple contributors, then you can create users for them and assign different roles. Maybe contributor, maybe just subscriber. It's really up to you.
And that's about it for this lesson. Next time, you'll learn about the WordPress tools. And these are mainly used for creating a backup, restoring from a backup, or importing information. See you soon.